Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes, and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, director of the Miami Space Transit Planetarium, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now, this week's episode.
How to get started in astronomy and the two comets that never were. Greetings, fellow stargazers. This week, I'd like to tell you how to get started in astronomy and show you how to find and actually see two comets that never existed. Now, in the 25 years we've been doing Stargazer, I can't tell you how many times people have asked me, how do I get started stargazing? So right off the bat, I'll tell you. Number one, if you watch Stargazer regularly, you'll get a taste for stargazing, which I hope will make you want more. And if you miss an episode, I'd like to remind you that you can download not only the current shows, but shows for the past several months onto your computer and see them in streaming video absolutely free, any time of night or day. Plus, you can also download the script of this show and hundreds of shows complete with star charts and diagrams. Simply log on to www.jackstargazer.com. Secondly, I recommend you buy any children's book on the constellations. If it's simple enough for a child to understand, you'll understand it too. Third, attend the free meetings of a local astronomy club. Not only will you learn a lot, but you'll get involved with people who love amateur astronomy and who will let you look through their telescopes absolutely free. And finally, in this August issue of Reader's Digest, you'll find a wonderful article on how to get started stargazing, to which yours truly humbly contributed. And now, I'd like to show you how to find the two comets that never existed, but which you can actually see. Okay, we've got our sky set up for any night in August in early evening. Look due south and you'll see a fish-hook-shaped group of stars, which is Scorpius the Scorpion. And if you're far from city lights, just above the Scorpion stinger, you'll be able to see two tiny fuzzy clouds, which look like the heads of comets. But unlike comets, they never develop tails and they never move in relation to the stars. They're always in the same place. These two comet heads that never were named M6 and M7 by Charles Messier, an 18th century astronomer who made a list of fuzzy cloud-like objects so he wouldn't get confused when he went comet hunting. And although they really do look like decapitated comet heads with naked eye, through a pair of binoculars, they reveal themselves to be great clusters of stars, other suns far, far away. The one closest to the stinger, M7, is a cluster of about 80 stars and is 800 light years away, which means that the light we see now actually left these stars 800 years ago, around 1200 AD, 300 years before Columbus set sail. The higher cluster, M6, also has about 80 stars in it, but is quite a bit dimmer. The reason being that it's exactly twice as far away, 1,600 light years beyond, which means the light we see now is actually the light that left these stars 1,600 years ago, around 400 AD, about the fall of the Roman Empire. Wow! So, get thee out to see M6 and M7, the two comets that never were, and log on to our website at least once a week. Because once you get started stargazing, the universe is the limit. I'm Jack Horkheimer. Keep looking up.
Jack Horkheimer Stargazer is underwritten by a grant from Meade Instruments, the world's largest manufacturer of telescopes for the amateur astronomer. Meade telescopes automatically locate thousands of celestial wonders at the push of a button. It's astronomy made simple.